Well, we came back to the bathroom place and hopefully this time he will choose a spot to his liking. Yeah, he's going. Number one. Good boy, Pip. Do you guys ever think I'd have a cat that goes on a leash and goes out potty? I mean, he also uses the litter box upstairs, but this is kind of crazy. First he picked that spot, then he picked this one. I guess the dog scared the pee-pee out of him. Oh, now he's gonna cover it up. Good boy. Hopefully my neighbor isn't watching. Hey, what's going on? What are you doing, crazy man? Come on. What's... Oh, your leash is all tangled. Oh, no, it's not. We're good. We're good. Mama's here. Mama won't leave you. Even though that's probably what you want. Aww. This is the only time me and Pip have like... It's the only time he kind of like rubs on me when we're outside on the golf course. Okay. It's getting kind of dark out here. Almost time to feed the fox. Over and out.